Welcome everyone, here is how you scan documents on your iPhone. So all you do is you open up the Notes app. From here, you just want to make sure you are in a new note. You're then going to see the camera icon, tap on this one, and you'll see Scan Documents. If you hid that view, just tap on the plus to see it, okay? You will need the keyboard out as well. So tap on the camera icon here, Scan Documents, and then you just want to place the document in the view, and you can see it automatically detected the document and it will take the picture automatically as well. If you want to do a manual shot, then just tap on the auto button to go to manual. You can see the preview. This time though, when we take the picture, it will allow us to adjust the corners. If you want to retake the picture, you can retake and keep scan as well. So when you're good to go, just tap on the save, and now you can see the document scan right here. You can long press on the scan document, and this will allow you to share if you would like to. So you can save it to the Files app, or you can share it around messages, mail, etc. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.